Wait, it hit my house? Bruh. Alright, once I get this marine warning, I'm gonna go check out the damage.
Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay, KH26, what is with you having a stroke reading the time?
We're located along a line extending from near Jekyll Island to near Palm Coast, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
Jeez.
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include buoy HLHD, Dorothy Louise Barge, Casablanca Reef, High Point, Nassau Sound Approach Buoy 6, Buoy F, Villano Beach, St. Simon's Island Village, Palm Valley, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine, Crescent Beach, Talbot Island, St. Andrews Sound, St. John's Lighted Buoy, Dungeness, St. Simon's Sound Buoy 9, Navy Dreadnought, Big George.
This is one long special marine warning.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Frequent lighting is...
Oh, they reached the limit! Wow.